What's up, guys? So we just got the Cobra all washed up finally after like 2 weeks of rain. It's finally clean. Put a little ceramic spray on it and the paint's popping for sure. I mean, the robos look really good. The paint looks immaculate for the most part. The paint looks really good. And we're gonna slap on the SVEs and we'll do some testing, see if they quit. As you guys can see, I took off the spacer and it looks like there's a little bit more room, but you can see how tight it is and how much we grinded down right there. But shout out to Full Tilt Boogie Racing. I'll put the link in the description so you can guys get these same parts if you guys are trying to put 15s on your Cobra. But we're gonna drop it and see how the fitment won't be as good as with the spacer, but that's not the purpose. It's to hook and book. Not bad actually, the fitment's pretty good. It's pretty flush. I wish it was a little farther out. Maybe get a small spacer or something, but beefy. So actually, I lied. The wheel weights were actually scraping. I hit like something backing up and I was like, what the hell? But I'll take off the wheel and you guys will be able to see it. But yeah, we're scraping the wheel weights because it's so compact in there, which sucks, but we'll take it off and assess the damage. Yeah, so it's hitting the brake line. Everything else clears, like the knuckles good, but yeah, that's the only part where it's rubbing. So I think we'll be good because it's inside the barrel of the wheel, so like if I didn't have the spacer, it'd be inside the barrel, so it'd be hitting. But regardless, I mean, it clears now, so nothing hits. Well, just a test around the block. When we put the spacer on, it seemed to help clear everything, but still got to be careful. I feel weird. I feel like I got 4x4 in the back. And we'll see if it scrapes or anything and just test it out. If it does, we know what to do. I need to contact Maximum Motorsports. We'll do like a little second gear and see if it hooks. She definitely hooks. That's badass, dude. I didn't think they'd hook, but yeah, they sure do hook. That's crazy. Pull over and just check a little bit. But yeah, I mean, other than that though, I mean, it's all good. Just gotta make sure it clears. Looks good so far. Check out the other side. Smoke. Yeah, no rubbing. That's good. Let's give it a test hit and let's enjoy it. High first gear. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. All right, guys. So now that we got our little test done, we're going to get the SCT up and going. And you know, with that, we should be able to start logging. I don't have the cable that wires into the wideband, so we're just gonna do it this way for now. And a lot of people, I feel like, maybe a little intimidated by data logging, but it really isn't that difficult. I think that it's fairly easy once you get everything configured from your tuner. So VMP hooks it up, they know what they're doing. They send you over a configuration file, which will pretty much get everything, will give you everything that they need to measure. And so with that, you'll just load the configuration file. We'll just cancel that. Perfect. And we're ready to data log. So we'll start it up for now. Oh shoot, backfired, bro. That's crazy. All right, guys. So I'm back. We're ready to log. It's gonna be cold. The drop top. We'll get the full effect that way, I feel. It sucks that they don't support Mac products. If you guys have to data log, you have to do it on a Microsoft device, which sucks because I only use Mac pretty much. I forgot. I have to record this log. I totally forgot about that. So, like I was explaining, I want to log the air-fuel ratio and make sure that it's not running lean. So we'll just do a little test right now just so I can make sure and verify that. So let's start the log right now first. Make sure everything, you'll see a bunch of stuff so you'll know it's working. All right. Okay, we're definitely logging now, so that's good. So we'll do like a second to third gear pull. Do this pretty tires, man. Let's start her up real quick. Man, it smells like gas for sure. It's been really wet. I got the Mickeys on, so not the best, but it's all good. But in today's video, we are getting the Cobra tinted finally. After being such a long time without the tint, I just feel like the car really needs the tint. And I'm excited about that. I have some products that we're going to be showing you guys. They are made by Zeus. Now, these products are made specifically for cars, and they have a OBD2 scanner. They got the tire pressure sensors. Man, it's cool. And we're gonna show you guys a little bit about those products, but first we're gonna get the Cobra tinted, and yeah, we'll see you guys at home. All right, guys, so we have Sencal tinting right here, doing a tint job on the Cobra. How's it going so far? Yeah, it looks good. So, you know, we're getting the Cobra retinted because we had to take it off, but we're getting the sun strip, so that'll like keep out most of the sun too, right? At the end of the day.
Sun glare when you're driving, yeah, freeway and all that type of stuff. We're just on the street. It's gonna help out a lot.
Cool. So that, and then got some tint going on these windows right here. Looks amazing so far. That's sick right there. So if you guys are located in the 559 area, make sure to hit this guy up. I'm gonna put his Instagram on the screen. You guys can hit him up regarding any tint jobs that you guys need. Very quick, I'd say. Takes his time on the job, but it's pretty quick for the most part, right? Yeah. So. But I think it shouldn't be a job that needs to be rushed though at the end of the day. Yeah. Like, I feel like you don't really want to, but these are pre-cut by the machine, which I think is very smart. It saves everyone a lot of time in the end. And of course, your tint is gonna come out much better in terms of how the cuts are made, because it's made specifically for this model of car. So I think that's a big benefit as opposed to a hand cut job, especially with tint. And yeah, it's very clean so far, and we'll update you guys when we're almost done. Yeah, that's sick for sure. Oh, yeah. Maybe I should get rid of this one, the logo, and then put it across here, or like spread it out. Yeah, a little different this time. We'll see though.
Actually, if you do a vinyl wrap, bro, it would completely wrap.
Oh yeah.
I could do the vinyl wrap where it's the same exact as this. So.
Oh okay. I got you. Dang. Yeah, I can't. I mean, it's dark. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So yeah. It looks good. Back to where I wanted it, at least, you know.
Yeah, that would work.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Because it's letting less light, everything's gonna look
right. That's crazy though. Yeah. Well.
That's why I like it, because I did it and then like 20% looked too light.
All right. So, pretty much what he does is he is a mobile tinter. If you guys are looking to get tint done, I'll put his Instagram right here. You guys can contact him. But the Cobra looks amazing, and like I was explaining before, we did the sun strip right there, and it really blends in well. You can't even tell. And so we did that. Got the tint done. It looks amazing again. It's horrible without the tint. But yeah, she's definitely popping. Shout out to him. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram, and let's get the tint going. It looks great. Can't believe it. We'll see you guys soon.